how this Mobility Innovation Studio is going to benefit the students of Technocrats?
I think it's a great platform for them. I saw that there are a lot of, I would say, the embedded labs, what you have, be it STM32 boards or TI boards, or actual, the hardware PCB layouting boards and tools and techniques. I think this is the real world tools which we are going to use. So I'm sure they will have all the basics of that, and when they come to the KPIT, they will be up and running from the day 0 or day 1, and that's really the expectation from us from such a lab. So I'm very, very excited to have this opportunity to all our future KPITians.
What message would you like to give the students selected by KPIT who will now have access to this facility?
I would say, you are one of those lucky guys, right? During the academics, you are getting, opportunity to actually work on the real world problems. I think take this with, the full hand, I would say, and take this opportunity to really burn your hands. Go use every equipment which is given to you, right? And try to solve, try to learn, so that once you are in KPIT, you can contribute to the real projects from the day 1.